Hello students, you are welcome in the grammar lesson with Katore sir. In this lesson, we will focus on letters, consonants and vowels, how many articles are there in English, which are they, and how to use articles in English. There are 26 letters in English, 5 are vowels and rest of the 21 are consonants. A, E, I, O, U are vowels and B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z are consonants. Now we will see what are articles and what is the role of articles in English language. There are three articles in English: a, an, the. They are used before nouns to modify them. They give more information about the nouns. There are two types of articles in English. First, indefinite articles, and second, definite article. A and an are indefinite articles. The is definite article. A and an used before non-specific or general things that we talk about the first time. The is used before unique or specific things. A is used before consonant sound and an is used before vowel sounds. Let us see the use of indefinite article a. A is used before a singular countable common noun that begins with a consonant sound. For example, a book, a pen, a chart, a man, a girl, a boy, a tree, a stone, etc. In these examples, all the words are singular countable common nouns and they begin with a consonant sound. That's why a is used before them. Second, a is used before a word that seems like a vowel sound but its pronunciation is like a consonant sound. Let us see the example. A university. This word university begins with U. U is a vowel sound, but its pronunciation is like a consonant sound. That's why a is used. In the same way, uniform, union, and unit are the words begins with U. U seems like a vowel sound, but its pronunciation is like a consonant sound. That's why a is used. Let us see the next example, European. In this word starts with E. E seems like a vowel sound, but its pronunciation is like a consonant sound. U. European. U is a consonant sound. That's why a is used before European. Now we will see the use of indefinite article an. An is used before a vowel sound. For example, an apple, an ant, an umbrella, an elephant, an orange, an inkpot, an old man, an interesting book, etc. All these words starts with vowel sound. That's why an is used before them. Next, an is also used before the word that seems like a consonant sound but its pronunciation is like a vowel sound. For example, an hour. Here, hour starts with H. H seems like a consonant sound but its pronunciation is like a vowel sound. Hour. And honest. Here also H is silent. It seems like a consonant sound but its pronunciation is like a vowel sound. Honest, awe. In the case of MA and MLA, these words starts with consonant sound but their pronunciation is A. That's why an is used before them. Then we will see the use of definite article the. The is used before unique or specific things. For example, the sun, the moon, the stars, the earth, the sky, the Taj Mahal, etc. Remember, the is pronounced before consonant sound. For example, the sun, and the is pronounced before vowel sound. For example, the elephant. Next, The is used before names of rivers, mountains, sea or oceans. The Ganga, the Yamuna, the Kaveri, the Himalaya, the Alps, the Sahyadri, the Arabian Sea, the Atlantic Sea, the Hindi Ocean, etc. The is also used before directions, the east, the west, the south, the north, etc. Before the names of religious books, the is used. The Ramayana, the Mahabharata, the Gita, the Quran, the Bible, etc. The is used before adjectives of superlative degree, the best, the tallest, the biggest, etc. Before ordinals, the is used, the first, the second, the ninth. Before names of musical instruments, for example, the tabla, the piano, the flute, the harmonium, etc. The is used before the things already referred in a sentence. For example, once there was a king, the king was very wise. In this sentence, king is a common noun used before in the first sentence, but when we use the same noun in the second sentence, the is used before that noun. Second sentence, our teacher gave a lecture yesterday. Everyone liked the lecture. In this sentence also, lecture is already referred in the first sentence, but when we use that noun in the second sentence, the is used before that noun. The is used before newspapers, the Sakal, the Lokmat, the Indian Express, the Times of India, etc. The is used before singular common noun which describe the particular class. Here, the cow is a useful animal. Here, cow is a common noun and it represents the whole class of animals. That's why the is used before cow. Next example, the man is mortal. Here, man is a common noun and man also represents all human beings. That's why man is used, the is used before the man. Sometimes articles are not used before the nouns while speaking and writing. The articles are not used before months and days. For example, January, March, December, Monday, Friday, etc. Before material nouns or uncountables. Milk, sugar, cotton, oil, water, paper, bread, tea, coffee. All these are uncountable nouns. That's why we cannot use articles before these material nouns. Before abstract nouns, kindness, cruel, happiness, wisdom, bravery, truth, etc. Articles are not used before these abstract nouns. Before names of languages, Marathi, Hindi, English, Sanskrit, articles are not used before the names of languages. Articles are not used before games, cricket, kho-kho, kabaddi, chess, etc. They are not used before plurals also, trees, boys, charts, books, etc. Articles are not used before proper nouns, Rajesh, Sita, Pune, Malegaon, Moti, India, America, etc. Let us see the activity. Use of indefinite articles a and an. Which indefinite article should we write in front of the following words? A or an? First example, chair. Which article should be used here? This word begins with consonant sound. It is a singular countable noun. That's why a is used here. A chair. In this way, a girl, an egg. Here, egg starts with vowel sound E. That's why an egg, an apple. In this way, with the help of explanation given in the previous slides, you solve all these examples and use a or an. Activity second. look into these sentences, use a and the wherever necessary. India is a country. Here, as we discussed before, articles are not used before proper nouns. India is a proper noun. That's why there is no article before India. Most important, he was dash dash excellent teacher. Here, excellent start with vowel sound. That's why an is used before excellent. In this way, you read all the sentences and solve. In this slide, there are also some activities or some sentences given. You have to use a and the wherever necessary. Students, you might have liked this video. You watch this video till the end. You may sometimes pause the video and solve all the activities given in the lesson. Thank you.